Welcome back to another video. Now, I will say I've already got the install done, but I wanted to preface this by saying this is not a detailed install video. If you want one, FCP Euro has a really good one on their YouTube channel. I would suggest going to check that out before installing if you're going to do this. Now, I've already got my old one here, my old IS-20 sitting on my workbench. It is so dirty. It's got about 96,000 miles on it, but it's still in really good condition. Now, I've got the IS38 in there. Let me show you how I did it. It is that time. I start working on this turbo the ECS Tuning sent me. If you haven't seen what ECS Tuning sent me, let me get you up to speed. So this is the all-new OEM Plus IS38 turbo that ECS Tuning just came out with. It is amazing. It is an OEM IS38 turbo, completely the exact same size, but it's got billet aluminum internals. So it's gonna last longer, spin faster, and it's proven that this turbo can get you up to 180 horsepower from stock. Now, I have the tiny little IS-20 turbo that's sitting right in there, hidden behind all the goodies. So I'm gonna get everything torn apart. I've got new spark plugs, I got the new turbo, got everything ready. On top of the turbo, I got a turbo blanket and the turbo muffler delete. With the turbo muffler delete, I actually got the turbo outlet boot that comes from ECS Tuning as well. So enough talking, I'm gonna get everything disassembled in here and get this new turbo ready to go in. Wow. Okay, so next day here, I was working on this for 4 hours last night until about 11 p.m. I have almost got everything done to get the turbo out. There's just an oil drain line, I think it is, on the bottom side of the turbo, and then the bracket itself that is on there. So I gotta get those two out, and then I can take all 4 flange bolts off, and it'll come right out, and then the new turbo can go in. So let me get you up to speed real quick. This is a mess in here right now, but I flipped over my harness from that side over to this side and tie wrapped it in place just so it would stay over here. I actually ended up having to cut the tape that held it in place, but I've got some of that tape that I can replace it with. Turbo is just about ready to come out. I've got the downpipe taken off. I got all my lifters taken off and the boost piping taken out. So this oil feed line is taken off. The coolant line on this side is taken off. The coolant line on that side is taken off. I just gotta take this out once the turbo's out. And then I'll also have to swap over this coolant line. I think that's it on the new turbo. So I need to get the turbo bracket off that goes over underneath, and then the 4 flange bolts, and it's ready to come out. Oh my God, I got it. I got it! Oh my God. Oh my God. It's time.
It's out.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. New turbo's going in. All right, now comes the fun part. I got my access port here. I bought a Stage 2 IS38 tune from EQT Tuning, as well as their IS38 DSG tune. So I'm gonna flash these on the car real quick, and then I'll get the car started up, let it run, get up to idling temp, make sure there's no leaks, everything is good, and then I'll put it back on the ground and take it for its first test drive. Okay, I got the tune loading on the car right now. Just a fair warning, I've got this vector gauge up here. I don't know if you've seen it in some of my videos, but I actually had to disconnect that completely and go back to factory wiring without that in order for me to actually flash the tune on. So if you're doing this and you've got a vector gauge, just a fair warning. But 16% after this, I'll get the car on the ground and take it for a first test trip. Well, that does it. The car is now tuned with the IS38 turbo from ECS Tuning. Can't thank them enough. This thing is insane. Moves so much quicker than the IS20. I was stage 2 with EQT before, and now I'm stage 2 IS38 with EQT. I gained about 40 horsepower from my previous tune and a hell of a lot more torque. It is insane. Obviously, with 12 degrees of camber, I can't put it down on the ground as well as you think, but it definitely still moves. So let me show you this turbo install. It actually went way better than I was expecting. Now you can see the turbo right down in there with the turbo blanket on there. Let me tell you, I am insanely sore from doing this turbo swap. It went really smooth though. The hardest bolt to get to was the drain line, the oil drain line on the bottom side of the turbo. Horrible to get to. I hated that one. But other than that, everything else was super smooth, super easy. And all said and done, I think it took me about 14 hours. I worked on it for 4 hours on Friday night, and then I was working on it from 10:30 to about 8:30 p.m. yesterday. And then I got it all done. Funny enough, I took it on a test drive last night and I got pulled over. Funniest cop I've ever ran into. No ticket though, gave me a warning. He was hilarious though. The turbo's done. Now it's time to show you what this thing can actually do with this new turbo. So I got my access port here. The cool thing is it's showing that I'm making 28.2 pounds of boost and 410 foot-pounds of torque at full throttle. That is insane. I don't know how accurate the torque number is, but 28 pounds of boost is up there. Really hope that's accurate. But now it's time to show you guys what this thing can actually do. Now, the one thing I'm really happy about is I actually got rid of my super aggressive pops and bangs tune. And now I only have a mild Euro style that EQT offers, and it's just burbles now instead of super loud pops and bangs, unless I'm over 4,000 RPM, I think is what it is. So, I mean, you guys can hear it. Yeah, sounds so much better than the super aggressive pops and bangs. Okay, it's time to show you guys what this thing can really do. Good Lord. Now, I cannot thank ECS enough. Okay, besides the point, I cannot thank ECS Tuning enough for sending me this IS38 turbo. It is amazing. It's on their website, so if you're wanting one of these turbos, go check it out. The link is in my description below. This thing is so worth it. Seriously, thank you again to ECS Tuning. Let me know if you got any questions down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.